Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the new recipe for the special event in Heartopia. It's the event. So in this latest update, Heartopia has a new event for the Easter event, and in here you can get the several food recipe, and one of them is the Easter eggs. And to get this Easter eggs recipe, just go to tap just tap on your club's icon at the screen and then just choose the revival hymn at the event and then just tap on exchange store, this one, and then in here just scroll down a little bit and you will see this food recipe Easter eggs like this, and it costs 10 bunny pom poms. You need spirit you need 10 spirit bunny pom poms to get this food recipe. And if you don't know how to get the spirit bunny pom pom yet, you can just check the tutorial link in the descriptions to watch the tutorial to get it. And after your spirit bunny pom pom is enough, just buy this food recipe like this and then just tap on purchase, and you will get the Easter eggs recipe like this that you can just cook it at the home. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.